Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off outgoing message sounds in the Viber app on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the option labeled More. This will open up additional menu options that aren't immediately visible on the main navigation bar. It's where Viber keeps most of its important settings and customization features. Once you tap More, you'll see several options appear. From this menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is your gateway to all the configuration options for your Viber account, including privacy controls, account management, and notification preferences. The Settings menu is where you can fine-tune how Viber works for you. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the different types of alerts and sounds that Viber uses to notify you about activity in the app. It's particularly useful when you want to customize which sounds you hear and when you hear them, giving you full control over your notification experience. Once you're in the notifications section, you'll see an option called Outgoing Messages Sounds. This specific setting controls whether you hear a sound effect every time you send a message through Viber. Some people find this sound helpful as confirmation that their message was sent, while others find it distracting or unnecessary, especially if they send a lot of messages throughout the day. To turn off the outgoing message sounds, simply tap on this option. You'll notice it becomes unchecked, which means the feature is now disabled. From this point forward, you won't hear any sound when you send messages in Viber. Your messages will still send normally, you just won't get the audio confirmation anymore. This can make your messaging experience quieter and less intrusive, especially in professional settings or when you're messaging late at night. And that's it. You've successfully turned off outgoing message sounds in Viber, creating a more streamlined and quieter messaging experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.